Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are heading out to the Superstition Mountains. What's the name of the place, Ted? Goldfield Ghost Town. That's where we're going. They have, it's one of the oldest, I don't know, places in Arizona. Before Arizona was a state even. And it's supposed to be like haunted and people mined for gold there and people died looking for gold there, and it's a pretty cool spot. And more importantly, they have little shops and they sell plants and they package them for air travel. So I'm really excited about that. So we're gonna check out some of these little shops there. Decided to go on a train tour, so I figured I'd bring you guys along. Hold on. Oh wait, is that a video? We're on a train.
Pretty soon moving.
Choo choo.
They're not that friendly. All right, enjoy your train ride. We're out of here.
Okay, so we're off of the train ride and we are gonna go on a mine tour. I'm not sure I'll be able to record in there because I think we're going underground. But this is turning more into a vlog than a plant shopping day. That's okay, we're gonna get to the plants.
Halloween Jason. Look at the pitchfork. What was Look at this thing, Ted. Look at this. Right here,
Yesterday was the
yeah, one of the others.
We're gonna start soon? Yeah, actually, just about 2 minutes. You all got your tickets?
Yeah.
I don't want you just to think of this as a mine tour. I would like for you to think of it as a yours tour.
So I don't see no snakes.
Be careful, watch your step. Make sure you can see me.
I like it.
I like to be the center of attention. Wall behind me. Move up here just a little.
It's like, oh my god, I just were to cave in. Look out.
tour was pretty cool. Now we're heading.
What's wrong, Ted?
Actually, it's only a little bit on the ground. Just a little bit.
Inside. Oh, I need one of them. Buy one.
So, we ended up not being able to record inside the stores because they were pretty particular about having your video camera out in the stores there. But I picked up some stuff, so I want to show you what I got now that I'm back in Chicago. First up was this little cactus. Super tiny, super cute, possibly a prickly pear, possibly not, because I don't know species of cacti yet, but I thought it was adorable and I put him in this little planter. Next was this fairy tale cactus, which I thought was adorable. It's supposed to grow to a decent size. They don't get huge like swirls or anything, but this might be my favorite. Then I grabbed this one, which I think is adorable. It's got some little babies on the side there. I'm not sure if you can see them right there. And then a couple babies down there. This was probably the hardest one to get back to Chicago, but I think it's pretty cool. Those spikes are serious and I love it. So overall, really cool place, super informative, had a bunch of different places to visit, and I would definitely take the kids back there to do the train ride and all that extra fun stuff with the tours and such. And they did have some really cute shops. I was just kind of like taken back by the fact that they wouldn't let me record in there, but whatever, that's why I couldn't record the plants and stuff. But overall, great experience, definitely go back, and my plants made it back safe. Anyway, thanks guys for tuning into this video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.